Hello friend! Today we will test out if hanging ceramic radiator humidifiers actually work and if they give any benefits. Because before making the purchase, I did not find any videos about it, and I had an opportunity to test it out on my own skin. Now I will tell you about my experience. Do ceramic radiator humidifiers even work? As a result, I bought 12 pieces of hanging ceramic radiator humidifiers for about a total of $50 to $60, in hope that I will no longer need to use an electric humidifier. The set includes 12 containers, each with ceramic humidifier, one hook, and a user guide. Do you already use such humidifiers? Write about your experience in the comment section. My first surprise was that we have to put them in water for 24 hours. We have no choice in this matter, so let's pour the water. These ceramic humidifiers are completely covered by water. Only after a while did realize that they just wanted to get wasted after a long journey. But in all seriousness, they absorb the water. Leave them for 24 hours. In my case, I use low-profile heating radiators for room heating, and with the included mounting hooks, these humidifiers attach pretty low. I found an option of splitting existing hooks in half. You could also make new ones, but splitting old ones is more convenient. Then it remains to use pliers to bend the other end. Looks okay. Another thing is that ceramic humidifiers no longer hang right over the floor. Maybe it looks like they can easily fall off, but it's not true. Fill all these containers with water. Each can be filled with about 350 milliliters. In total, I put 9 such containers on this radiator to test whether such method of hanging ceramic radiator humidifiers gives any noticeable difference in room humidity. I will use the Netatmo Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor to record any changes. If you're interested in this product, click on the I button in the upper right corner of the video. Humidity in a room is of course slowly increasing, but it could also be directly related to these humidifiers, as any living thing releases some moisture. A little bit of information as to why the air needs to be humidified at all and how much it needs to. Health Canada recommends keeping the humidity level above 30% and making sure it doesn't exceed 55%. Ideally, it should be somewhere between those percent values at all times. If the relative humidity is below 30%, the air is too dry, and it can create dry skin, dry throat, nose irritation, irritated vocal cords, and cracked lips. I suspect, however, that these radiator humidifiers do not work quite well. There is a theory that 1 square meter of water in 1 hour creates around 40 grams of moisture. The area of my 9 ceramic humidifiers is around 0.0028 square meters, from which we obtain only 0.11 grams of moisture. I also was suspicious earlier because in span of 2 weeks only half of the water evaporated, which is around 170 milliliters. Instead, I could have bought 12 beautiful vases or flower pots. At least they would have been more useful. The room should be humidified, especially during heating when the humidity decreases. The cheapest, most effective option is damp towel. It has a large area and quickly moisturizes the air. But it needs to be soaked often and you probably don't want to wake up twice during night to do it. Only choice in this matter is to use an electric humidifier. I have an Esperanza EHA004 humidifier which costs around $30. And with its 3.5 liter capacity, it can run without refilling for about 11 hours. This simple solution releases 300 milliliters or 300 grams in the air in 1 hour, which is about 2,700 times more efficient than my ceramic flower pots for $50–60. In terms of electricity consumption, such humidifier consumes up to 25 watts per hour, which means around 0.6 kilowatt hours per day. But I'm pretty sure you won't keep it turned on 24 hours non-stop, because you'll have too much moisture in the room in that case, and in such humidity levels unwanted mold starts appearing. So this was my experience with these hanging ceramic radiator humidifiers, and now I can answer the question. I can say that in my case they did not prove their effectiveness. They look good, you can pour water in them, but the effectiveness is insufficient. These were my observations. Leave a comment about your experience or recommendations on how to keep your room humidity level at adequate levels. As always, don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons to support us in making these money-saving videos. Thanks, and for now, goodbye.